Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Boss from Home, and this is your go-to platform for discovering new ways to make money from home, make money online, and make money practically anywhere. We love to share free resources over here to help you improve your finances and also hit some of your goals. So if you're looking to turn your creative passion into a profitable business, you already know that that is exactly what we chat about here on Fridays. But in today's video, I'll be walking you through a more detailed guide, kind of a follow-up video from the last video on how you can start your own eye-catching pillow cover business using Printify without any design skills. And we will be sharing tips on free design tools that you can use to get started in minutes. So whether you are a seasoned designer or you're just starting out, I've got all the tips that you need, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So before we jump into the fun part of designing, we need to first start talking about niches. So a niche is essentially a focused target market for your product, and it's essential to identify it early on because it will actually guide you on your design choices and also your marketing strategies. So think of it this way. Who is going to buy your pillows and what specific needs or interests do these people have? Your goal here is to make sure that your pillows stand out by catering to that specific group. So if you're confused on where to start, no worries. Let's dive right into some examples that will help you get started right away. So one popular niche is motivational quote pillows. These are perfect for people who want to inspire their home space with positive affirmations, even life quotes, or even funny sayings. So imagine a quote like "good vibes only" or "dream big" on a stylish pillow. These types of pillows work well for customers who are interested in personal development or maybe want to create a positive atmosphere in their home or office. So if your audience is focused on wellness or self-improvement and maybe even mental health, this could be a great niche for you. Another niche that is really good at driving sales is the holiday themed pillows. So everyone loves decorating for the holidays, and pillows are an easy, affordable way to add a festive touch to any space. So think about Christmas pillows with sayings like "merry and bright" or holiday patterns like snowflakes or reindeer. Super easy, right? You might even want to focus on Halloween if that's your thing, with spooky designs, or spring with floral and pastel colors. The great thing about holiday pillows is that they tend to sell in bursts around the holiday season, so you can always plan your product drops accordingly and really capture that rush. If your target market is more inclined toward luxury and premium home deco, then think about offering pillows made with high-end fabrics like velvet, linen, or even silk. These types of pillows attract customers who want to elevate the aesthetics of their living space, whether it's a boho chic living room or a minimalist bedroom or maybe even a modern apartment. You can incorporate intricate patterns, embroidery, or even foil accents that have a little gold in them to make your designs truly stand out. And this niche is great for customers who are willing to pay bucks. And they're willing to do this for quality materials and design. All right, so let's not forget about our pet owners. A pet-themed pillow business can be really profitable if you target people who love their pets and who want to showcase that love in their home deco. So you can design pillows with dogs on them that feature different breeds, or even cat-themed pillows for cat lovers. Or even more niche, creating pillows with quirky sayings like "home is where my dog is," or "I'm not single, I have a dog." These types of niches appeals to a passionate audience of pet parents who really want to display their love for their furry friends in their homes. Next, let's talk about some design aesthetics that could shape your niche. You might want to create pillows based on certain designs like boho. You can think about earthly tones with the boho aesthetic, patterns like mandalas or woven fabrics. This can all appeal to people who enjoy that eclectic and free-spirited vibe. Or minimalist. You can keep it very simple with clean lines and neutral tones, and even designs that embody the simplicity and elegance. Or vintage. You can create nostalgic pillow designs with retro patterns, typography, or even florals that take people back into time. So vintage lovers and collectors are always on the lookout for items that speak to that aesthetic. Personalization is a huge trend. So offering customized pillows, whether it's with someone's name or a special date or even a custom design, this is all another great niche. People love personalized items as gifts, and pillows make for a perfect personalized present. So you can offer things like wedding gifts, anniversary pillows, or even family name pillows that customers can customize with their own message or design. So this niche is great for gift-giving occasions, and you can target markets like the wedding season, which is coming up upon us soon, or even now really, baby showers or housewarming parties. So as you can see, choosing a niche is all about understanding your specific target audience and also thinking about what they love. So by focusing on a specific group, whether it's motivational quote lovers or pet owners or even people who love luxury fabrics, you can better tailor your specific designs and market strategies. So you're not just selling pillow covers, you're actually selling an experience, an aesthetic, or even a lifestyle. Okay, so now comes the fun part, and that is choosing the perfect design tool to bring your ideas to life. So today we're going to compare Canva and Kittl, two excellent beginner-friendly tools that will help you get started quickly. Okay, so let's talk about Canva first. So Canva is well known for their quick designs, minimalist styles, and even their modern typography. They also have thousands of free fonts and templates that you can simply tweak and personalize. They offer drag and drop elements like icons, patterns, and illustrations to really customize your design. An AI-powered background remover, which is included in their Pro version, and pre-designed kits for colors, fonts, so that you can make everything cohesive. Canva is best for simple typographic designs like motivational quotes or even abstract patterns or minimalistic designs that have a modern vibe. And Canva is great for designs that require a fast layout build and easy customizations. But the drawback here is that Canva, although it's very great for simplicity, it does lack more advanced text transformations that actually another tool we'll talk about just next will provide. And that tool that I want to talk about now is Kittl. Now, if you're looking for something that's a bit more advanced and artistic, Kittl might be your best bet. It's perfect for those who want a vintage typography, 3D effect, or even a handcrafted look. Kittl offers great text effects like the curved, shadowed, or embossed effect for a more personalized touch. They even offer vintage style typography and 3D typography as well for a more intricate high-end look. Realistic features like their foil, grunge, and paper grain, and they have ready-to-use templates that can help you easily create high-quality designs. Kittl is best for retro and vintage typography pillows, artistic designs with decorative borders and elements, and they're great for people who want high-end designs for a more luxurious pillow cover. But the drawback with Kittl is that even though it has an advanced typography, its free version offers fewer options than Canva, and some of the best features are actually locked behind a paywall. So you do have to invest a little bit in order to get more. Okay, so you might be wondering, well, which one of these tools should I pick? Well, if you're just getting started out and you want to start a lot quickly and create something that is clean and maybe minimalist, Canva is a great choice. But if you are aiming for more bold, unique typography and more of an artisan feel, then Kittl is your go-to tool. And also remember that you don't have to choose one over the other. You can actually combine both tools in your design process. Okay, so now that you have your design tool, it's now time to get creative. Here's a quick walkthrough of how you can make your first pillow design. We're going to talk about the motivational quote pillow. So you would start by opening your design tool using a template that matches your style. So for Canva, you can actually choose a minimalistic design with your quote, with just your quote and maybe some decorative elements. And with Kindle, you can actually get really artistic with an embossed text and maybe a shadowed effect to make your design pop. And don't forget to focus on your color scheme. So choose designs that align with the mood that you want to convey within your design. So once your design is ready, it's now time to upload it to Printify. The entire process is really simple and easy. Just create a Printify account, select the pillow product that you want to sell, and upload your design. So here on Printify, they offer a variety of different pillow styles, including the square pillows, the throw pillows, so many different types of pillows that you can use to cater to different preferences. And here at Printify, you will actually generate a mock-up of your pillow with your design so that you can see what it looks like on an actual product. This is my favorite feature here. You can also make sure that you tweak your design if there are any other changes that need to be made to ensure that it all fits perfectly. Now that your product is ready, let's talk about pricing. So when you price your pillow covers, you do want to keep in mind the cost of production, the cost of shipping, and a margin for profit. So Printify has a base pricing for each product, and you can mark it up based on your desired profit. So a good rule of thumb here is to price your pillows in the range of $20 to $40, depending on how complex the design is and the pillow type that you're going for. Once your pricing is set, you can go ahead and integrate Printify with your Shopify, your Etsy or WooCommerce store, even your store that you're using within a platform if you have your own website. That's where you can start promoting your products. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is a complete guide on starting a profitable pillow cover business with our sponsor of the day, Printify. So whether you're creating motivational quotes or vintage designs, or maybe even simple modern aesthetics, there is endless potential to create and sell pillow covers online. So you can start by designing today, and who knows, your pillow business could be the next big hit. So with just minimal work, diligence, research, and consistency, you will begin to see profits over time. But the key point here is to remain consistent. All right, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will be right there to answer your questions. Thank you guys for joining us for another Friday where we talk about side hustles and how to make money online. If you have any suggestions, also leave that down below. Thank you so much for watching. If this video gave you great value and you enjoyed it, please go ahead and like it, share it with another creative friend of yours, and we will chat in another video very soon.